Hello friends, in this session I am going to inform you about various scholarship schemes which are offered by UGC, that is University Grants Commission. These schemes are available for undergraduate and postgraduate students. So let us see these schemes. University Grant Commission is offering merit-based scholarships to undergraduate and postgraduate students. Candidates who are eligible for the same can apply on or before 31st December 2020 for four scholarship schemes, namely, it means last date is 31st of December. So four schemes are UGC Ishan Uday Scheme 2020, UGC Single Girl Child Scholarship 2020, UGC PG Rank Holder Scholarship, and UGC SC/ST Scholarship for Professional Courses. So for detail, look the video till end. Candidates can register at National Scholarship Portal to avail these schemes. The URL is scholarship.gov.in. So for any of these schemes, you have to apply on this website. You don't have to apply on UGC site. So for any scheme, there is single portal, and that portal is scholarships.gov.in. Then in on this portal, candidate will have to click on the new registration window, and they have to generate login credentials with the help of their email ID and mobile number. After registration, the candidates will be redirected to page where they can apply, and the last date, as I have told before, it is 31st December 2020. So first scheme is UGC Single Girl Child Scholarship 2020. This scheme is available for single girl student who are pursuing postgraduate course in regular mode only. It means this scheme is only for PG students and only for those who pursue PG in regular mode. This is not available for distance education. Under this scheme, there are 3000 slots, and girl students who are under the age of 30 at the time of admission in first year, they can apply. Student can apply only in the first year, not in second year, and age should be less than 30 years. Then students who qualify the scholarship will be given an amount of 36,200 per annum for a period of 2 years. And the girl students who have twin or fraternal daughter are also eligible for this scheme. Now, second scheme is UGC Ishan Uday Scholarship 2020. This scheme is available only for northeast region of India, means states, northern eastern states. Students are only eligible for this scheme. 10,000 scholarships are available under this scheme, and this scheme is available for degree course student, means this is for UG students pursuing a general degree course, technical and professional courses, including medical and paramedical courses, are eligible. The parents of students applying for this scholarship must have an annual income less than 4.5 lakh from all the sources. Student must have completed grade 12 successfully and also secured admission into first year college program. Student pursuing a course through Open University will not be eligible for this scholarship, and student will be eligible to get 5,400 per month for general degree course and 7,800 per month for technical, medical, professional or paramedical course. Third scheme is UGC PG Rank Holder Scholarship. This is open to university rank holders who have shown an outstanding performance at the UG level. It means this scheme is only for PG students and only for those students who have secured either first or second position at university level. This scholarship is applicable to students pursuing only basic course. It means this is not for professional courses. And there are 3,000 scholarship available under this scheme. Basic courses include MA, MSc, MCom. These are included in basic courses. So this is available to student for pursuing their first PG degree in regular mode only. Means if any student is doing second PG, then he or she is not eligible, and mode should be regular mode. and the student must be less than 30 years of age, and amount of rupees 3100 per month is awarded for the selected student for a period of 2 years. Then last scheme under this session is PG scholarship for professional courses for SC and ST student. So again, this scholarship scheme is for only for SC and SC students who pursue professional courses. So objective of this scheme is to provide financial assistance to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes candidate to pursue PG level studies in professional subjects like engineering, technology, management and pharmacy. Under this scheme, 1000 students will be provided with financial assistance. Students will be awarded rupees 7800 per month for the duration of PG and rupees 4500 per month for other courses. Student pursuing a course through distance education will not be eligible. So for any of these schemes, you have to apply on scholarships.gov.in, and for these schemes you require number of documents. Some documents are common and some documents depend upon a particular scheme. Like for any scheme you need always need Aadhaar card, bank account in the name of student is required, and that bank account must be linked to your Aadhaar card. Means Aadhaar card and bank account should be linked together. Then if income is any criteria under the scheme, then income certificate of parents is required. Bona fide student certificate, this is required in all the schemes, and bona fide student certificate can be downloaded from NSP account. Once you create login and apply into a scholarship scheme, then this bona fide student certificate is generated automatically, and you have to download and you have to get the signature of principal in case of college and head of the department in case of university. Then domicile certificate is required for Northeast scholarship, and affidavit is required in case of single girl child. Affidavit to be given by the parents. Caste certificate is required in case of SC and ST scholarship. Proof of rank is required if you have to apply in PG rank holder scheme, and joining report is required in all cases. And again, joining report can be downloaded after applying onto the National Scholarship portal. So hopefully you have understood the procedure and you have understood the scheme. So if you are eligible under any scheme, you can apply, and please circulate this video for so that maximum student can benefit from these UGC scholarship schemes. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and please like the video. Thank you.